Hello guys, the next model is an equation with multiple variables. As you can see, there are three unknowns, z1, z2, and z3. Here are the parameters. In this episode, I want to show you the application of algebraic constraint. I designed it here because I want to have all four equations in single project. Here, because we have three equations and three unknowns, so we should use three solve blocks. So one algebraic constraint for z1, one for z2, and one for z3. I define the z1, z2, and z3 signals. This is z1, z2, and z3. Now, I think after defining these z1, z2, and z3, the simulation will be easier. In the first equation, we have z1 times a1 plus z2 times a2 plus z3 times a3 and plus a k. So I add a constant and I add a constant for k and block for the gains. This is the k1, k2, and here the k3. I set the blocks here and I just want to connect them to each other. I set the blocks here and then I want to just connect the blocks to the signals. This is A1, A2, and A3. I get copy and place them here. A4, A5, and A6. I get copy, place it here again. A7, A8, and A9. Although the system is a little complex, it's just copy and paste, and it is very easy. Now I enter the signals A1 to the Z1 signal, A2 to the Z2, and A3 to the Z3. Now here A4 was for Z1, A5 to the Z2, A6, Z3, A7, Z1, A8, Z2, A9, Z3. Now we should just enter the constant amounts. We go to the model properties and I go to the here callbacks and initial function. A1, 2, A2, -3, and so on. I enter the parameters. So after entering the parameters, we can start the simulation. So Simulink can solve equations with multiple variables too. Now, as you can see here in the display, we got the outputs. So in this chapter, we learned solving 4 different types of equations in the Simulink. First, we learned simple mathematical equations, then high-level equations, nonlinear equations, and finally multiple variable equations. Okay, my friend, thank you. Thank you for being with us. Goodbye.